You will learn about line symmetry. The pictures of some monuments known for their architectural marvel are given here. If a straight line is drawn through them and the pictures are folded along this line, we can see that the left half is exactly matching the right half. These pictures are said to have line symmetry. The line along which the pictures are folded is called the line of symmetry. Figures which can be divided into two halves by a line, such that the two halves overlap each other completely, are said to show line symmetry. The line that divides a figure into two halves that are exactly the same is called the line of symmetry of the figure. You can find several examples of line symmetry in nature. Many leaves and flowers show line symmetry. Even a butterfly shows line symmetry. It is the property of symmetry that makes them beautiful. Observe these two pictures. Which of them appears more balanced to the eye? The picture that shows line symmetry appears more balanced. All objects that show line symmetry appear more balanced. Now, let us explore line symmetry in some geometric shapes. Consider this kite shape. Let us see if the horizontal line shown here is a line of symmetry for this kite shape. As the horizontal line does not divide the kite shape into two identical halves, it is not a line of symmetry for the given shape. Now, consider this vertical line. Let us see if this is a line of symmetry for the kite shape. As the vertical line divides the kite shape into two identical halves, it is a line of symmetry for the given shape. If you try folding a kite in different ways, you will see that only the vertical line passing through the middle divides it into two identical halves. Thus, we can say that a kite shape has only one line of symmetry. Now, consider a rectangle. If you try folding a rectangle in different ways, you will see that the vertical and horizontal lines passing through the middle of the rectangle divide it into two identical halves. Thus, we can say that a rectangle has two lines of symmetry. Now consider this equilateral triangle. All its sides are equal. Let us fold it along the lines joining its vertices to the centers of the opposite sides. Thus, we can say that an equilateral triangle has three lines of symmetry. Here is a square. Let us explore its symmetry along the horizontal and vertical lines passing through its middle, and also the lines along its two diagonals. Thus, we see that a square has four lines of symmetry. Now consider a circle. A diameter of the circle divides it into two identical semicircles that completely overlap each other. We can draw an infinite number of diameters of a circle. Thus, a circle has an infinite number of lines of symmetry. As you can see in these examples, a shape may have just one or more than one line of symmetry. In this module,